right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 52,495 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here on the screen, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Alignment's perfect. Steering's nice and straight. You do have PPF on that front clip, protecting it from rocks. It's on 1/3 of the hood, 1/3 of the fenders, and then the lower front bumper piece. Tires are a little noisy, which you'll see in the next part of the video. I believe they were from 2022, so they're getting close to needing to be replaced. Beautiful truck though, inside and out. This truck is very clean. You can tell they took care of it. We are in sport mode. No complaints. Drives really nice, sounds good, shifts smooth. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now, we do have PPF on 1/3 of the hood and fender and the little front bumper trim there. So it starts here, and it starts right there, and then you also have it on this body line all the way down, protecting it, and then you're going to have it on the side mirrors. Looking at that flare, looks amazing. Date code 2022, Toyo RTs. Looking at the fuel wheels, got a little chip there, a couple small ones, otherwise in great condition. Looking at the tread, it's getting on the lower side, but still pretty decent. That looks good. Fender's nice and clean. All of that looks good. Side mirror, that looks amazing. All of that's nice and clear. Making our way down the door. I actually do see some film right here protecting that little section. It does have some little impacts on it already. There's a few chips there, one there. Lower side looks good. Door's nice and clean. You do have impacts in this area, kind of peppered throughout. And then you have the film here protecting it. Looks like it has some impacts as well. And it almost looks like some of those are underneath, like maybe they happened and then they started putting PPF on it to protect it. The rest of that looks good. Looking at the tread, some little dry rot spots, but overall in decent condition. Like I said, they're probably close to needing to be replaced. That wheel's in great condition. Got the window tint here, power running boards. Looks really good. Plastic's nice and clean. Hood's in great condition. That looks good. Like I said, you have film on all of that protecting. Little snag there. The rest of that looks nice. Here on the front bumper, a couple little rock chips. For the mileage, that's really, really clean. Looks like some factory flaws there in the finish. That looks really, really good. This is just heat coming out, and so you can see creating a little bit of moisture. We had the truck running for a little while. That flare looks good. Wheel looks nice. Side mirror's clean. A-pillar looks awesome. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Typical swirls here. And then on this glass, it looks like something kind of got in the seal, so you do have scratches on it. Those are embedded into the glass. It's just on that one. This side looks good. Door's clean. Now, you're going to see these little impacts kind of peppered in this area. Wheel looks good. Got the bed liner. That is really clean. Looking at the upper section here, that's in great condition. Couple of small chips right there. Otherwise, this side looks really good. All right, checking out the interior. It's a non-smoker, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Got the Alcantara inserts here, leather on the outboard section of the seat. Steering wheel looks good. I mean, this is a sweet truck. Looking at that door panel, upper section looks good. Got the dry carbon, memory seating. All of the buttons look nice and clean. A little bit of storage. Got the B&O audio. That looks nice. Amp research side steps here. That trim looks good. Got the all-weather mats. Looking at that bolster, nice and clean. Same with that. Very, very nice. You can see how smooth the Alcantara is. You can still make the little lines in it. All of that's in great condition. Steering wheel looks good. No complaints there. That looks good. Power steering wheel. Scanning through the upper side of the dash, I don't see any issues up there. Massive screen, trailer brake controller, Pro Trailer backup assist. There's your four-wheel drive stuff, heated cool seats, all the goodies. Beautiful, beautiful truck. See a little flaw right there. Otherwise, this interior looks amazing. Here on this door panel, looks amazing. Tons of storage in here. Got a little cubby there. Got the dry carbon. That looks really, really good. Got the all-weather mats here on that bolster. Nice and clean. I don't see any wear. Same here. And then looking at the Alcantara inserts, that looks perfect. This side of the console, that looks good. A couple light scuffs on that trim. A few very light scuffs there on the glove box. Otherwise, this side looks perfect. Here on the back right door panel, that looks really good. That trim's clean. Got the all-weather mats. And that bolster edge looks good, and the inserts look amazing. I don't see any flaws on the seats. And same for that middle. Looks good. The outboard seats are heated. Got your outlets there. Really no complaints back here. Really, really nice. We're going to scan through the engine bay here. Looks good, nice and clean. Just got it out of detail, so you're going to have some water kind of dripping. Here on the underhood liner, looks amazing.